my dear students. How are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 6 Sports, Entertainment and Lazy. Chapter number 32 Places of Entertainment. So, read the clues and write the names. Question number 1. A place where we can find a large collection of objects of scientific, historical, and artistic importance. Museum. Number 2. It is a huge room with a stage where the audience can see performances much like a theater. Auditorium. Three, a park where the public can see different kinds of animals in closed cages. Zoo. Number 4. A venue where people can see movies or films on a large projection screen. Cinema hall. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 33. Let's play music. Here are pictures of some musical instruments. Write the correct letter code against each picture. First one is G. Harmonium. Number 2. E. Tanpura. Number 3. F. Guitar. Number 4 is D. Trumpet. Number 5 is drum. H. Number 6 is violin. Violin C. Number 7 is B. Piano. And number 8 is A. Tabla. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 34. Fantastic singer. A singer is a person who sings songs, especially trained or professional vocalist. Here are the pictures of some of the famous singers of the world. Take the help of the clue box to write their names. 1. She is the singer from Canada who sang My Heart Will Go On for the movie Titanic. Celine Dion. 2. An extremely popular Indian playback singer who was idolized during his lifetime, Muhammad Rafi. 3. She is a famous female playback singer of India, Shreya Ghoshal. Who he is known as the king of pop, Michael Jackson. 5. She is recognized as the world's top selling recording artist by the Guinness World Records. Madonna. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 35, Famous Fables. A fable is a story with a moral. The main characters in a fable are usually animals through whom we learn the difference between right and wrong, and Also the values of friendship, knowledge, confidence, and hard work. Three of the most famous books of fables are Jataka Tales, Panchatantra, and Aesop Fables. Match the fable with the moral by writing numbers. Okay, 1. The Ant and the Grasshopper. Work hard today and you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Number 2. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once you tell a lie, number 2, people will never believe you. The Crow and the Pitcher. Number 3. Where there is a will, there is a way. Jaha चाह वहाँ रहा. Number 4. The wolf in sheep's clothing. भेड़ की खाल में. If you do wrong, you will always get caught. Number 4. Fine. The tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady win the race. The fox and the grapes. If you are too greedy, you will lose it all. 6. It's easy to despise what you cannot have. The greedy man who lost the golden eggs. If you are too greedy, you will lose it all. Okay. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 36, Common Places. Fill in the blanks by picking out suitable words from the clue box. 1. A dash is a place where babies are looked after while the parents are at work. Creche. 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 A dash is a large sport field surrounded by seats and spectators. It is stadium. A dash is a place where aeroplanes land and take off. Airport. A dash is a place where people stay for a short time in exchange for payment. Hotel. 5. A dash is a place where one can buy and eat a meal. A restaurant. Number 6. A dash is a place where young plants and trees are grown for sale. Nursery. A dash is a place where we learn to read and write. School. A dash is a place where books, journals, magazines, and newspapers are kept. Library. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 37, Science of Instruction. At public places such as airports, bus stations, railway stations, markets, malls, etc., you might have seen many directional signs, information signs, and regulatory health and safety signs. These signs are a great way to provide the important information that is required. Some of them are given below. 1. This sign is a warning of danger. Always keep away from the places that have the sun. Also remember not to touch anything marked with this sign. Number 2. This sign is seen on things that can be recycled. It shows that the item can be used again to make new products. 3. This sign indicates that you should use dustbins to throw waste. It reminds you to keep your surroundings clean. Number 4. You will see the sign near schools. It warns vehicles to slow down as children may be crossing the road. Number 5. This is the exit sign. It tells us where the doors are located. 6. This sign shows that the place is safe and accessible for people using a wheelchair. Now, can you match the following road signs with what they say? No horn, please. This one. You can get food here. 5. You have to stop here. Number 2. The toilets are here. Number 6, this area is for parking. Option 1. And this is the place to safely cross the road. Option 4. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 38, National Sports. Each country has its special sports connected to its culture and lifestyle. A national sport is considered to be an intrinsic part of the culture of a nation. Names of some sports are given below. Write the name of the country which represents each sport. Okay, first one is cricket, England. Number 2, baseball, USA. Number 3, volleyball, Sri Lanka. Number 4, ice hockey, Canada. Bullfighting, Spain. Kung Fu, China. Sumo wrestling, Japan. Taekwondo, South Korea. Kabaddi, Bangladesh. Okay. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.